my channel. So I'm super excited for today's video because in today's video I'm going to show you all the affordable makeup and skincare products. So guys, this is my mini kit that I usually carry with myself. It contains all the affordable skincare and makeup products, and these are really helpful when you are traveling to some other place, to some other city. You have to have one makeup kit, right? And this is the one what you need. So let's go guys. Now I'm going to open it and I'm going to show you what are the things inside. Okay, so very first thing I'm having is this Soundarya aloe vera gel. So guys, this is the very basic thing that I generally use, and I really feel this helps a lot with your pimples, with your glow. It gives an essential glow that you require in everyday routine. And also guys, if you don't want to purchase this Patanjali aloe vera, you can use any brand's aloe vera gel, and if possible you can use the natural aloe vera. That is the more than good. That's like a heaven. Okay, so this is my first thing which I do carry with myself and which I use in my daily routine. Now moving on to the second thing. Okay guys, so second thing is my Garnier Micellar Water. It's a cleansing water, and we teenager don't do a lot of makeup, but whatever we go some outside in the pollution, and we have to clean our face before go to bed, and whenever you come home from outside you have to clean your face. So for this purpose I genuinely believe this Garnier Micellar Water. And if you want, you can also use some coconut oil on your face, and you can rub it on your face and remove all the makeup that you have used. But I trust this, and it's also affordable. So moving on to the next product now. This is the Biotic Bio Orchid, or Bio White Orchid. It's a skin lotion, and they have told that it's a skin whitening body lotion, but I don't really feel it whitens the skin. It just clears out the impurities from your hands, from your legs, and I use it as a body lotion, not on the face. Its price is 99 rupees. It's a small mini bottle, but I have received it for I guess rupees 80. There was a sale on Nykaa, so you can also purchase it from there. And it's really good lotion because in a day routine we don't require that heavy moisturizer on our hand and legs, so you can go for it. So it's also affordable. So yeah, this is the thing. So this is the kajal that I use. It's from Lakme, and it's really a good kajal. It suits me well. But guys, if any of the kajal doesn't suit you, then please stay away from it, because if it doesn't suit you, it can give you the dark circles, and we don't want it even if it is affordable. Okay, the next product is the sunscreen. Never ever forget the sunscreen, because it helps you a lot. It protects your skin from getting tan. By some reason this Osea SPF 30 suits me really well, so I have never switched to any other brand of sunscreen. You guys can use any particular sunscreen that you use, and yeah, it's also affordable. Yes guys, for the next product I'm having this Maybelline lipstick. I really love the Maybelline brand, especially in lipsticks. So it's a long lasting lipstick. It suits me well. So guys, it's in the shade 641 pink my red. So I loved it a lot, so that's why I usually carry with myself. It's also affordable. It's not that high end range. It's affordable lipstick, so you can actually get it. Okay, this is the lip love from the Lakme. It's also affordable. You can take it, you can purchase it. If you are using some other lip balm, that's also fine. Now guys, for the night skincare, I'm basically using this Biotic Bio Coconut Brightening and Whitening Cream. It a lot of people ask me, does it really whiten or brighten the skin? But I'll create a second video for this purpose. I want to give the brief review for this. So right now I can say that this is a really good moisturizer. If you are having dry skin, just go for it. In winters basically it works wonder. So I'll recommend this cream for the dry skin people. I'll not recommend this actually to the oily skin people. Even the combination skin people can go for it, but I don't really think it will suit the oily skin people. So I use this moisturizer Biotic. in the night routine. But if you are using some other moisturizer, you can go for that. It's also affordable, guys. It's not that high costly. So it's for rupees 199, and on Nykaa usually I got it on sale. So you can also purchase it from Nykaa if you want. Now after that, there is one eye roller. I don't know why I use it. I really don't feel any difference after using this, but I carry this every time. They say that, you know, if your eyes are getting puffy, you have to use it. My eyes are never got puffy. I really don't know when to use this, why to use this, but I'm having this. But it doesn't work on under eye circles, guys. Let me explain you. If you're purchasing this for the under eye circles, then don't purchase it. It doesn't work at all. Okay, it only works for, you know, puffiness, to reduce the puffiness and, you know, some redness under your eyes. It really doesn't do anything wonders to your skin. It's just the eye roller which reduce the puffiness, doesn't do much more. Okay guys, so after this I use this compact from the Miss Claire, and I'm having one more compact which is from Oriflame. It's a color box face powder. I really like it. So these two compacts from the Oriflame, and one is from the Miss Claire, one is from the Oriflame, I use a lot because they really suits me well. And if you want much more affordable, you know, compact, you can go for the Maybelline Super Fresh Compact. It's the cheapest compact in India. Yeah, you can go for that. So guys, now moving on to my next product, I'll just show you. So guys, the next product is this Peach Me Glow, which is from the Oriflame, and I really love it. Peach Me Glow, we call it as a Peach Me Glow from the Oriflame. So it's in the fair shade. You will get two shades of this product. One is, you know, for some dark skin tone, one is for the fair skin tone. They are having peach shade and the fair shade. So I have bought this one, and you know, it's really a boom to your skin. Trust me, it really gives you that, you know, essential glow which is required. You know, if you are going to some party or if you are going to some special occasion, just don't put anything much on your face. Just put this, set it with some compact powder, and you're ready to go. Trust me, it's one of the most beautiful product I have ever seen. I also used the, you know, Lakme CC cream, but right now my tube was over and just thrown it out, so I can't show you over here, but it's also affordable. And this is the one that I love the most, the Peach Me Glow from the Oriflame. Okay, so last but not the least, I use this, you know, vitamin E oil that I use once or twice a week on my face because it maintains the facial glow. If you want to purchase that, you know, strip one, you can also purchase it from the medical. You will get it in any of the medical store nearby. So what I usually do, I take some vitamin E oil on my palm and also mix some aloe vera gel in it, and I rub it on my palm and I apply it on my face, and I just go to sleep. So in the morning, you'll get that radiant glow on your face. It really helps me to reduce the dark spots, to reduce the acne scars, and it maintains that heavy glow, which is more important. So I got this bottle for the rupees 80. You can also get some animate facial oils that are also, you know, very useful. So yes guys, this was my last product which I really wanted to show you, and this one is empty now. So I have shown you all the beauty products that I have used. So guys, this is my mini makeup plus skincare essentials. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. This all products are affordable, and if one of the product doesn't suit you, then you can replace it with any other affordable product we'll get in the market. I hope you found the video useful, and if you did, do hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.